If you want to eject the SIM tray on Samsung Galaxy A57, then once you take a look at the bottom side of the phone, then over here we should be able to find our SIM tray, and there is also this SIM tray hole which we need to use in order to eject the SIM tray, of course. And in order to eject the SIM tray, we can use the eject tool that you can find inside the box. In my case, I have a slightly different eject tool, but that is completely fine. We need to put it into this hole over here. So let's put it in. There we go. And then you want to push it into the phone. You want to apply a little bit of pressure until the SIM tray slightly pops out. Once it does, you should be able to use your fingernails or fingers in order to try to remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. And afterwards, we should be able to insert our SIM card into the SIM card slot. This is how it looks like over here. So as you can see here, we have the SIM card slot number 1. In my case, I have dual SIM, although I'm sure that there are versions without a dual SIM. So I'm gonna insert my first SIM over here. We need to match the shape of the slot. Of course, you want to be careful. Unfortunately, Samsung SIM trays are very loose, so it's really easy to drop SIM card. You want to keep holding it with your finger over here so that you don't drop it in case you feel like it's loose. Alright, so once we have our SIM cards inserted, or a SIM card of course, then we need to put it back into the phone. So we need to slide it back in. There we go, and just push it all the way down with your finger and make sure that it is fully in. It should not stick out at all. It should go all the way in. If you cannot put it all the way in, just make sure that your SIM cards or SIM card, that they are inserted properly. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.